Hi, welcome to today's video. I'm going to take you through a portfolio template that I built in Notion. But before that, you might ask, why a portfolio? An online portfolio can supplement your resume with additional information that tells your work story in greater detail. Do only designers have portfolios? Not really. A business person, a writer, a researcher, a person in marketing, sales, product, technology, anyone can have a portfolio. You might say that I already have a LinkedIn profile. Why do I need a portfolio? LinkedIn doesn't allow you the freedom to display things the way you want to. You will see how different it is in Notion, which allows flexibility to do anything. It's really easy to create this portfolio and, more importantly, edit it, because you need to keep it updated often and not once in 3 years. What can be included in the portfolio? Let's take a look. So you have a cover image that you can use of your choice. You have a profile photo, you have a title, and then you have a summary. The summary is a quick introduction to who you are. You can talk about your education, your work experience. In brief, think about it as a Twitter bio or a LinkedIn bio. On the right side, you have the contact information like email, Twitter, LinkedIn, website. You can add any different ones. Now we move on to the projects section, which is the most important section of a portfolio. It talks about different projects that you've done throughout your work experience. What was the challenge? What was the problem? How did you overcome it? What was the solution? What were the results and what were the learnings? So you can build on your resume bullet points in greater detail using the project section. We'll get into detail about the projects in a bit, but let's cover the other sections. After projects, we have a section on articles. This could be any writing work that you've done. It could talk about blog articles, case studies, anything that you would want to showcase. And it's very easy to add another article. You can add the link here and it will automatically give you the option to embed the article here. After articles, let's talk about the different types of embeds that Notion allows you. In this example, I've embedded Twitter threads, some of my top Twitter threads, and how it's different from just screenshotting and adding as an image is that this is all very interactive. So if someone is logged into Twitter, they can directly like it from here. They can directly go to this tweet. They can see your other tweets. So it has many benefits over just adding screenshots. After this section, we can talk about the next one, which is podcasts or videos. You can embed any YouTube videos that you've been in or any podcast that you've been in. You can embed that. It also adds a more richer experience to your profile. After podcasts, you can talk about some of the photography that you've done. You can embed Behance, Instagram, all different types of media. And again, it's very interactive. You get different options of viewing more on Instagram. You can like, comment, etc. from here directly. And you can easily add another Instagram image directly from here. After photography, we have the bookshelf section where you can add some of the top books that you've read and how it has shaped you. All this does is that it gives someone a more well-rounded picture of you. And as we scroll down, you have languages where you can mention your languages. This is something simple. Alright, let's go back to the project section. Going into the first project, which I built an order tracking app using Glide. Here you can talk about what was the problem. There were too many support calls. What was the challenge? It was expensive to build custom software. You can add screenshots on the right side. You talk about the solution and talk about what were the results. So this gives a narrative structure to any bullet point that you have in your resume that you would want to expand on before the interview. Let's go to the second example, which is again very similar. Talks about the context, talks about what was the application process in this example. It was applying to this website called Total Barca. Here I'm embedded a tweet from 2012 that's available, and talked about what did I do, what did I learn, and what were the results at the end of it. Alright, that was a quick walkthrough of the template. The template is available on Gumroad. The link is in the description. Get it soon. I am excited to see what you build with this template, and let me know on Twitter. When networking or applying to jobs, all you need to do is include this portfolio link in your resume, in your cover letter, in any intro email, and people will get the chance to see it before they talk to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like this. More content like this coming up shortly. Talk to you soon.